In this Python Flet tutorial, we will learn how to use the Dropdown object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. In the previous video, we learned how to use the switch object. Let's do an example with Dropdown in this video. First, I create a Dropdown object. I am specifying a hint text. I'm adding an option. I send the object to the add function. I created a drop-down object with one option. I will add a few more options. I also add Juventus and Arsenal options. I created a drop-down object with 3 options. I changed the width value of the drop-down object. I want an appropriate text to be displayed on the screen according to the selected drop-down object. I am creating a text object. I send the object to the add function. I define an onChange function in the drop-down object. The function will be called when the option in the drop-down object changes. I change the value of text according to the selected option. Finally, I update the page. Depending on the selected option, an appropriate text is displayed on the screen. I recommend you watch the next Flet lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.